After we installed ElevatorPlus, that is around a year, they have given us very much updation. After that, asset management, then trigger system. As I said, we were using a software before ElevatorPlus, but that was not completely oriented for elevator companies. The major reason shifting to ElevatorPlus was it was made for elevator companies. It was designed for elevator companies. So that made us easy to go for ElevatorPlus. Yes, now I can see their live movements. I can actually see how much time they have spent on the site, how much time we are going through that project.
Today, we are excited to share a success story from one of our valued users of ElevatorPlus. Joining us is Mr. Adesh Bhikule, Managing Director of Shree Jee Elevators, Mumbai, a trusted name in elevator industry with over 15 years of experience. Let's hear directly from him about his experience and journey.
What were the operational challenges you were facing in your business before you started using ElevatorPlus?
Before starting ElevatorPlus, the major concerns were AMC not getting renewal. As I told Sumit sir, before that हम लोग को वो AMC renewals के लिए 50% AMCs were not getting renewed every year. And after 2 months, 3 months, every customer used to create a problem for us with respect to renewals. Rate were not fixed. After that, handover projects. It was difficult for us for tracking the projects. We used to call the supervisors, but sometimes supervisors weren't available. They were at a remote place और कहीं और वहाँ पे हम लोग को कांटेक्ट करने के लिए उनको बहुत मुश्किल होती थी. But this thing has solved our problem. We can track the operations. AMC renewals are now sent through triggers, so we don't have to face client backlashes and everything. And even we can track our technicians, where are they, how much time they spend on each site. Apart from that, there are many problems, but we have countered them with ElevatorPlus.
So, what is your overall team size and how many branches you have?
We currently have 70 people with respect to our team, and we have around 4 branches, one in South India, one in Maharashtra, one in Kolkata and one in Delhi, which is operated. We were firstly operating them through our WhatsApp chats and various mails and everything, but now we are doing it through ElevatorPlus.
And how many roughly AMCs you're handling currently?
Around 600 AMCs we are handling currently, pan India.
And how many installations you do roughly in a year?
Pan India we do around 150, in which major sector we do industrial and commercial, and around a small part of that we do residential.
So your team were able to reach out to all your customers before their AMC expiry in the past, and how's the scenario now with ElevatorPlus?
No, actually they weren't. Before that, problem क्या होता था? We used to call them, but client was not able to receive the call. Then my people used to call them the next day, or they used to forget that thing, and that created a mess within our AMC. AMC payments were delayed, everything were delayed. There were no proper tracking of that. And later, after we installed ElevatorPlus, these things were solved. We used to get the revenue. The same trigger was sent on daily basis through ElevatorPlus itself. My people used to get the notifications that this AMC has to be renewed. So we can stop the AMC or call the client, or through WhatsApp we can contact them. There were many ways before that, but my people were not able to access that because of tremendous amount of work going on. But ElevatorPlus and the system has made it easiest for us.
Which were the major reasons due to which you decided to switch to a proper system?
Actually, these were the major reasons. AMC renewals, tracking of any project, and then revenue tracking, sales tracking, the leads tracking. Where were we supposed to get the major leads? Should we continue any platform, IndiaMart, Just Dial? And this were the major reasons we shifted to ElevatorPlus. We needed the system before.
What were you using before ElevatorPlus? Like Excel sheets, WhatsApp groups, registers, or some other software? And why did it stop working for you?
We were actually using Excel sheets, WhatsApp chats, and apart from that, majorly calls and everything. We had a software, but it didn't work the way we wanted. So we again shifted to the WhatsApp groups, calls, etc.
Were you comparing ElevatorPlus with any other options, and what made you finally choose ElevatorPlus?
As I said, we were using a software before ElevatorPlus, but that was not completely oriented for elevator companies. The major reason shifting to ElevatorPlus was it was made for elevator companies. It was designed for elevator companies. So that made us easy to go for ElevatorPlus.
When you rolled out Elevator Plus across your team, your sales team, service, technicians, accounts, how did they react? Was there resistance or did they pick up quickly?
Actually, it was a misreaction from non-skill part like technicians, and they weren't happy with these things because they were been tracked. But excitement was shown from the higher authorities like supervisors, AMC people, because their work was getting easier and through a system. But few people showed the resistance, which created a problem initially, but later they got to know the benefits of this software. They now don't have to write the reports. Everything used to be mailed to the client directly, so the headache has been reduced a lot. So now they are quite happy with the software.
Are you now able to track all your field technician team and see their live movement in field?
Yes, now I can see their live movements. I can actually see how much time they have spent on the site, how much time we are going through that project. Do they really require the extra time? They have given a site 8 hours or extra time is required. That all we can go through now, and I can easily track them through.
And are you now able to track all your leads coming from all platforms like referrals, ads, IndiaMart, etc.?
Yes, I can actually track everything, and this helps me to continue any platform or discontinue any platform. Like if I get around but only 10% of leads from IndiaMart and I'm paying more for that, I can just discontinue that thing. But I can easily now go through every referral or every client what lead I'm getting through.
Are you now able to handle more lifts, more AMCs or more customers without proportionally adding more office staff?
After installing the Elevator Plus, we have the same team. We haven't changed the team, and we are now having more renewals compared to before. We are easy going client and our AMC team conversations, and the mails are going on the time, everything is going on the time. So we don't need extra staff, and Elevator Plus is itself kind of doing 3 or 4 people job for us.
Has Elevator Plus continued to add new features as committed while sign up according to market checks?
After we install Elevator Plus, that is around a year, they have given us very much updation. After that, asset management, then trigger system. Apart from that, WhatsApp trigger system they have given us, and they are promising us much more. So let's see what comes.
And at the end, do you have any advice to second generation and all the business owners of system implementation?
Actually, no doubt, a system is required for any kind of business. Maybe it be an elevator or something else. A system is required, and this kind of systems help us to grow. The old traditional ways like Excel sheet, WhatsApp group, they are kind of messed up now. Many people, the people on that forget the triggers, renewals and everything, but Elevator Plus, that help us, a system, proper system help us to grow the business, reduce our staff cost and everything.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time, your valuable insights and all the feedbacks. Thank you so much.